Good day students, welcome to another video in maths on the chapter coordinate geometry, and today we have exercise 7.2. Question number 5. Now what is the question? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So what is said here? There are 2 points A and B and it is divided by the x-axis. That is, if we have a rough figure, this is A 1 minus 5, this point is B minus 4 5. A is 1 minus 5, B is minus 4 5, and suppose we have another point here P, and what about this? This point is divided, this line is divided by the x-axis. That means this point lies on the x-axis, and any point on the x-axis is of the form x0, that is its y coordinate is 0. So the coordinates of P will be of the form x and 0. Clear? Why? Because it lies on the x-axis. So how do we need to find the ratio? So we start, suppose the ratio is k is to 1. Let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay, now we can apply the section formula to find the coordinates of P. Therefore, coordinates of P are, apply section formula. So what you have, minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1, and what will be the y coordinate? 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. Now by section formula, these are the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate of the point P. Also we know the coordinates of P are x and 0. So therefore this must be equal to this, or therefore we can write this coordinate is 0. So therefore 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. This implies 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 5k is equal to 5, or k is equal to 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. So we got the ratio, we have k1, that is 1 is to 1. So therefore the ratio is 1 is to 1. We also need to find the coordinates of the point of division. So what are the coordinates of this point of division? The coordinates are this. So therefore the coordinates of P are what are the coordinates? These are the coordinates of P, and we now know the value of k, so we substitute the value of k here. So minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4 plus 1 by k, that is 1, 1 plus 1, and this one, though we know 0, we can substitute 5k, that is 5 into 1, 5 minus 5 by 1 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 by 2, and this one is 0. So the coordinates of P are minus 3 by 2 and 0. Okay children, come on, let's see another one. Now next we have question number 7. What is given in the question? A circle. AB is the diameter of the circle. P is the center. The coordinates of the center are 2 minus 3. Coordinates of B are 1 and 4. And what you need to find? You need to find the coordinates of X. So we can suppose coordinates of A. We can suppose the coordinates of A as X and Y. We need to find X and Y. Now again, P is the center, AB is the diameter. So can we write AP is equal to BP? P, that is, P is the midpoint of AB, isn't it? Now we apply section formula to find the coordinates of this one, A. Again, you know, the coordinates of the midpoint are given by coordinates of midpoint. What are the coordinates of midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So these are the coordinates of the midpoint. So applying this one here, what can we write? X plus 1. This is x1, x2. So therefore, x plus 1 by 2, and y coordinate y plus 4 by 2. So these are the coordinates of the midpoint given by x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. But the coordinates of the midpoint already given. So understood the step? We have applied the section formula or directly this formula of midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and this for the coordinates of P, and the coordinates of P are already given 2 minus 3. So therefore these are equal. Now we can equate this to. So therefore what do we have? X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, and y coordinate y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. The x coordinate is equal to the x coordinate, y coordinate is equal to the y coordinate. Now we just simplify it. What do we have? X plus 1 is equal to 4 by cross multiplication, or x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Similarly for y, again we cross multiply. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 into 2, minus 6. So y will be equal to minus 6. We take 4 on the other side. So minus 4, that is minus 10. So therefore these are x and y. X and y are the coordinates of A. That is what we were asked to find. Therefore, what is the answer? Coordinates of A are 3 and minus 10. Okay children, hope you understood this one. So thank you for today.